many accidents are going on the road. They are calling accident is going.
Yeah.
Kidnapping, etc. And you can use our mobile and call the doctor and ambulance take you.
Yeah, by the help of phone you can call the
To draw a circle or to kill a person. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Of course, oh my goodness. Yeah, of course, she is right. It's up to you. It's a person.
If you have a compass, if you have
Because
just
spread on internet.
And good evening to all enthusiastic person who are watching this video. Thank you so much to click this video. Well, today we have conducted the session. And the session is that advantage of the phone and disadvantage of the phone. So of course we are here just because of the very fantabulous topic, very controversial topic. So today I'm going to invite two members of my class. The first member name is that Natik and the second name is that Kriti. So please, today we have a very controversial topic. I hope you both are ready. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes,
So in which side you are?
ma'am. I'm side of advantage of phone.
And you are side of
Disadvantages.
disadvantage. So first thing is that I would like to clear here. You just point out a solid point. You have to give the precise point. That means accurate point. And please don't argue more and more the single point. Okay? So first start the session before a little bit introduction.
Good morning to all of you.
Good evening to all of you.
क्या होता है यार? Good evening to all of you. Well, my name is Kriti Pandey, and today we got the topic debate advantage and disadvantage of phone, and I am the side of advantage of phone.
Let me first warm welcome to respected ma'am and all the energetic personalities sitting here. Well, my name is Natik. Today I'm gonna debate on the topic mobile is advantages of mobile and disadvantages of mobile, and I'm the favor of disadvantages of mobile.
So who want to start first? I think girls.
Ladies first.
Girl first. Yeah, sure. You can just put here. You're not there. Not an issue. Just show.
I think phone is. I think mobile phone nowadays. Mobile phone is seriously very important because many things are online, like online shopping, online marketing, and online banking. So for these reasons, mobile phone is very useful nowadays.
Okay, I agree with your point, but the thing is that people are going addictive of the mobile phones, and they are doing marketing. If the mobile don't exist, person couldn't do the marketing. Person can do marketing if the mobile does not exist, and because of mobile, the people are coming addictive of it.
Speak loud.
Okay, but if I know if there is if there exists no mobile, people can marketing, but people can't do online marketing. There is a difference between marketing and online marketing. And
I think what is the need of online marketing? If we can do offline marketing, we can go nearby shops and we can do.
you can go nearby shops, like if a person is busy, if a person is a businessman and he don't have time to go market and waste his
He has time to order the things, things from mobile, and he has this much time and not the time to go to the market.
yes it's
Really?
Yes.
There is no time to order the things and not time to go.
He
the
can
market.
order the things
Nearby market.
from home.
He can't go nearby market. He can't go nearby market, and he will order, like search on laptop, mobiles, and do order and payment whatever, and go to take that delivery.
If there is no nearby market, then what can he do? If there is no there is no market nearby, then what can he do? So
He can
it's
go
I think
market.
Again, you are debating a single step, single point. Just change your point.
People are going to be addictive of mobiles. So what about that?
uh,
Just elaborate your point.
it's a bitter truth. Excess of everything is always very bad. Excess of everything is always very bad. So I think it's depend on you. I think it's up to you. Like you have to when you use mind, you have to उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Make up your mind. You have to make up your mind. Like excess of everything is always very bad.
या अति हर चीज की बुरी है.
मैम बट मैम क्या बोला था?
She is saying it's up to you how much you are using a phone.
But mobile is that thing. It is a like नशे को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Addiction.
It is like addiction. If one time you use that, you are craving. You have craving of that. I can use every 2 minutes.
You have
at
to show the
least 3
disadvantage.
minutes.
You have to show the disadvantage.
That's I'm saying that mobile have addictive, ma'am. It doesn't depends up you. Mobile has that type of addictive that I can use only 2 minutes, that type of addictive.
Yeah, we are scrolling a lot of time. We are spending at least 1 to 6 hours on a phone.
Yes, I appreciate your point, but you have to make up your mind. You have to make up your mind that you don't like I should not use mobile phone a lot.
Okay, so what about that businessman there who depends upon every day on a computer, laptop, and their eyes got ma'am अंधे हो जाते हैं. They got blind. Who work on a laptop 6 hours, 8 hours. That you told the businessman don't have time. He only work. Why are you wearing specs?
I think it's not a reason because I use a lot of phone.
What is the reason behind?
It's actually I wear specs because of eye allergy.
Eye allergy. Okay, I can see your eyes point how much it is. So it's not a reason for the eyes allergy because I am also wearing it. I know the reason that it is for only mobile. The reason behind it is mobile only.
Okay, but
Just change your point. Just change your point.
Okay, ma'am.
Just take out here. Yes.
कौन सा point है? The big advantage of phone in phone there is a GPS. There is a GPS. There is a map in your phone, and you can easily get find the location and the destination if you are
Where you have to reach.
where you have to reach. And you can if you are alone and you want to go somewhere, you can book your Ola and Uber.
There are
You
many.
have to give the example of the Vasco da Gama.
मैम हमें तो आपने नहीं बताया.
Because it's an unfavor of the point, and you are supporter of that point. You have read a lot about this point.
No, ma'am.
What about Vasco da Gama? Who don't know where is India and he discovered.
Without a phone.
But I don't think many people are like Vasco da Gama.
What?
There are many travelers.
There are many.
Because of mobile, there are the many cases like cyberbullying, spreading rumors.
Carry on. Just elaborate your point.
Like here is a point like in Delhi, the person was spreading a rumor about the girl, and what is your point about that? It's only the cause of mobile.
But it is done by a person, not done by mobile.
Only for mobile, only because of mobile.
It's not done by mobile.
He
It's
make
done
a
by
rumor and he spreads the rumor. He spreads the rumor through internet, and it came.
Suppose
to
that- suppose that if you have a
it came to the person.
Suppose that if you have a
It came to the
compass,
person
suppose
on
that if you
internet,
if you have a
internet,
compass, you
every
can use
person
it to
see
draw a circle or to kill a person. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, of course she is right. It's up to you. It's a person.
If you have a compass, if you have
Ma'am,
a
because he
just
spread on internet. Ma'am, internet.
it's
is
not done
also
by
ma'am.
mobile. It's done
Ma'am,
by
if
a
internet doesn't
person.
exist here, internet doesn't exist there, mobile doesn't exist there, this never happens. This never happens.
Yeah,
But
if
it
you
is
don't
done
have
by a
phone,
person.
It's only
up
on
to you.
mobile. It doesn't up to
It's up to you.
and-
It's up to you. If
No,
you
no,
have a
no.
compass, you can draw a circle or to kill a person.
Yeah.
If you have a compass, you will draw a circle or to kill a person. It's up to you.
Sorry,
It's your
it's your
mental.
mentality.
It's depend on your
Tell
mentality.
me what that if the mobile doesn't exist, it will not be happen.
But it's up to you, na.
But if internet doesn't disappointable.
Because if you have point, then you can.
Point has
to
elaborate.
You just add. You can just add.
Doesn't happen.
Then you have to show if you don't have phone, so that all our facilities we are unable to find out.
Yes, we are unable to find out. There are phone provides many technologies like
What type of technologies?
ChatGPT.
And
ChatGPT. If you
they are
have
the dictionaries.
dictionary, so what it
It
is?
takes
Too much time. It takes up too much time.
It's take too much time.
There is not cause of time. There is a we have a lots
No,
of
no,
time.
no, no. Dictionary takes too much time.
So clap for both of them. Yes. Now the second round is that. Second round is that Tanya and Ruth. Please big round for that. He is ready. आप थोड़ा सा साइड में आओ, सुना करो, है ना? If you are not able to give the answer, then please try to listen carefully. Okay, just come here and speak and listen. Tanya, you have to fight. Okay, just okay. So today we have a very, 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 very energetic person. We have name of the Rudra Pandey and the Tanya Yadav. So yeah, of course.
Greatest.
So I think you should start without further ado. Okay. So before start, you have to give your little bit introduction. Our viewers also, our friends also.
Yes,
Are you ready with it? Sure.
Let me first warm welcome to all of you, little ma'am, and
From the bottom of my
from the bottom of my heart, and all my dear friends,
and all my dear
and
viewers,
all my dear viewers.
please
to
make sure the subscribe channel.
make me for the subscribe. And today's topic is mobile phone is advantage or disadvantage, and I am side of advantage.
Okay.
I'm the side.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Approve karo na, approve karo.
Good
You have to
evening.
show yourself.
Good evening, everyone, from the bottom of my heart. Well, my name is Tanya Yadav. Today, I am the side of disadvantage of
First, you
phone.
have to clear the topic. Today, we have a topic. Yes, of course. Carry on. Today, doesn't matter he cleared or not. You have to clear your.
Today we are going to debate on disadvantage of phone and advantage of phone. I am the side of disadvantage of.
Okay, so let's see who is going to win. Okay, so first you have to raise your point.
Ma'am, let me first I speak to you. Mobile phones keep us connected with our family members, relative friends, etc. It's a easy way for communication. We can call and make a video call anyone in the world.
Very good. Yeah.
But
Of course, I appreciate your point.
of course, I appreciate your point. But when my relative or friends and other, when they come, I can meet to him, and we are video calling, and we are calling to him. It damaging our eyes and ear also.
And because of phone, we are also separating our families. We are
Yeah.
using all time phone, but we don't concern about the family.
Yeah.
Just speak
yeah.
up.
Yeah, and we spend
Lots
time.
of times on a phone.
We spend lot of time on the phone. We are seeing reels. We spending time on social media, and we are separating from our family. We don't talk, and we always live separate and
we
spend
always
time on.
want to use the phone only.
Yeah.
Reena, good.
I agree your point, but
I appreciate your point.
I appreciate your point, but you know your relatives are not come in your house. Then what do you do?
Elaborate.
What do you do? And your second point is
My second point is that.
please repeat. And you know that your relatives are not come your home and don't come. And what do you do in this situation? And my second point is mobile phone and smartphone have become a latest information and general knowledge.
Yeah, he is right.
That's why I'm giving answer. Why they don't come? When they come, we can talk to him.
When the between the love and the affection, they are, of course they come.
They come.
And the second point is that he is either awareness. We have a newspaper.
Yeah, we have a newspaper, and there is a radio in which news are going on. We listen from it. आप मानिए, मैं इसकी क्या होगी, आप मानिए, you have to expect your lovely friend is live in America, so what do you call to him?
How to call?
How to call
and how will you connect?
How will you connect to
those person?
His
Those person who are living America.
Those person who are living America. He can come and second. He can come from there, and we can send letter to him if we
Letter to him. That means you are using a pigeon that time.
No, ma'am.
What are you saying?
From that, ma'am.
I appreciate your point.
No, ma'am. ऐसे एक जगह से delivery ऐसे करते हैं.
Delivery?
मैम अरे इसको क्या मैम वहीं से वहीं पहुंचा सकते हैं.
Facts.
Yes, ma'am. From that we can send.
Speak loud. Speak loud.
From phone, the many accidents are going on the road. They are calling between. They are driving the car and they calling. A car or a bike are coming front and accident is going.
Yeah, she is right.
In the cases accident and kidnapping etc.
She is not mentioning a kidnapping. She is mentioning only an accident.
Okay, accident
And other things happen.
And you can use our mobile and call the doctor and ambulance. And ambulance take you.
Yeah, by the help of phone, you can call the police. You can call the ambulance.
You are that time you are not able to call
Because your phone has broken.
just
By the help of accident.
and you have don't energy to call. You said one person to call the ambulance. You said मैम वहाँ पे कोई आदमी होगा उससे कह दीजिए कि वो एम्बुलेंस.
Yeah, there is someone.
There is a someone you said he is called the ambulance. No one help you. मतलब no one.
Why nobody help you?
Why?
Everybody helps you.
लॉक कार को लॉक कर दिया, अब कौन बचाने वाला होगा? अच्छा हाँ वो भी. प्लीज
Appreciate कर दो. Clap for Rudra. Yeah. What we have to do? What I have to do?
Please elaborate his point.
Please what she
Please explain his point.
explain. You have to explain your point. How to do the mat accident?
You know that nothing is going for Delhi in his bike.
उसका एक्सीडेंट मत कराओ किसी और का प्लीज. पर्सनल नहीं.
शुभम
Anyone, someone.
You know that Shubham is
और someone किसी का नाम मेंशन ही करना क्यों है? हाँ,
someone is go to Delhi bike and he is accident and his phone is damaged and she told the someone person to you call the ambulance and ambulance take to its hospital, to his hospital. And in
second point
other
is that. Second
situation.
point is that.
Okay, my second point is that
My other point is that.
my other point is that mobile phones are the most popular. Mobile phones are the most popular things, more beneficial things for the entertainment, and it's stop bringness of life. we can watch movies, मतलब कि listen music, etc. Listen music,
सुनना ना.
take selfies and chat on our friends.
Of course, that means we can spend our time, we can waste our time.
Ma'am, we can waste our time, but your time is nothing.
Your time is
नहीं, अरे गलत. You have free time. Then
when you have.
ma'am,
He wants to say. Okay. Chill. Be calm. Yeah, I agree with your point, and I can understand your point. He is saying the free time. When you free, then you can spend your time by the help of phone. That's the reason.
we are entertaining. You are entertaining on social media, but it also damaging our eyes. And you are, if you have free time, so you spend your time with family, with books, your family. Why are you damaging your eyes and ear also? You are listening, you are damaging your ear also.
Yeah. Why are you utilize your time over your phone?
You take up sunglasses and cover with
Sunglasses.
glasses. We take up glasses and and take a cotton on our ears. How can you see? How can you wear and how can you see? You wear. You slow your phone's voice and you.
By the help, you are advantage now. By the help of, you can get the education also.
By the help, you can get the education also. You are wearing, we wear spectacles and spectacles, then we can see. Yeah. And we
Then we
apply,
can watch.
and then my brother is also wearing spectacle. His points are
Effect.
nothing effect is going on. Little much is going on. How can you?
Clap for both of them.
एक example. You know that your mother said you don't go to our friend home, and you have to group study in our friend home, and why you can study in home with our friend. मतलब कि मैम आप मान लीजिए आपकी मम्मी ने मना कर दिया कि आप नहीं जाएंगी और आपको उसके साथ ग्रुप स्टडी करनी है, तो आप घर में बैठ के कैसे करेंगे? फोन ही सब करेंगे, खुद से करेंगे. एंड टीचर सेड you know, and teachers not work on your friends, and why you can told your friend please send me a work on phone. Because your mother said you can't go to the home of your friend. You can't go to the home of your friend. So you go next day you go to school and
But it's an emergency. You have to need right now. Then how can you do that?
Yeah.
If you are unable to complete your homework, so of course next day the teacher.
No, there are time you are we can say that teacher was absent. Yeah. This we can say.
What? Yeah. You have to give your point. Why are you listening to him?
Yeah, we say to the teacher I was absent. If teacher say you ask to your friend, so say that my mother is saying that I don't allow you to
Clap
call
for both of them.
No, wait,
Yes, we have a lot of members are waiting, and we have enough time. Nobody is winner. ना चेहरा उतर गया बच्चे का. You want to speak more? I give you time. Yeah, Durga and Shivani, please come here. Yes, we have a third round. Shh. Advantage? We have a third round. She is side of advantage of phone and she is side of disadvantage of phone. So who wants to raise the first point?
Of course, disadvantage.
Advantage. Yeah, of course. So please. Little bit introduction. बस आगे आ सकते हैं. Yes.
Let me first you a warm welcome.
उसको भूल जाओ, इग्नोर इट, समथिंग अगर आ भी रहा है इग्नोर इट, अपने वर्क पे ध्यान दो. ओके,
Let me first a warm welcome to all of you, my respected ma'am and my respected ma'am and lovely and charming friends. And good evening to all of you. And well, my name is Shivani Srivastava. Today I am going to talk. Today I am going to ma'am. Today I am going to debate a topic on advantage of phone and versus disadvantage of phone, and I am
Side on.
and I am side of the advantage of phone.
Yes. So first raise your point. Just start.
Nowadays, mobile phone is mobile phone is everything we can use on every time with. Ma'am,
मतलब आप तो ये disadvantages दे रही हो. We can use every time, so that is a benefit for us. I don't know.
मैम स्टार्टिंग का नहीं आ रहा.
स्टार्टिंग का नहीं आ रहा, बीच का वही बात. बीच का बोल दीजिए.
नहीं, रुक जाओ. We use mobile phone with various work and with connect with family, with relatives and friend circles, and we also
The
use.
plus point is that we